Okay, so at this point, I'd want the learners to come and take a quiz that I've made in the website Kahoot. I created 8 different questions. These questions are pulled directly from the PowerPoint. Um, I'm not able to share or publish this at this point because I need to pay for a subscription, and I'm not going to do that at this point. But I can preview here. I'm giving them 30 seconds to answer each question. And so if they need to go back to the PowerPoint to review, or they can't remember what the answer may be or need help, they can do that. I really would rather them just answer these questions. They're pretty not explanatory, but pretty easy, I believe, for 4th or 5th grade. So they should be able to answer these questions without going back to the PowerPoint, but it is there if they need to.